Hello, welcome to Rebounding with Cheryl. If you haven't met, I am a jump sport fitness instructor, been certified for 2 years now, and join me as we do level 1, 2, and 3, beginner, intermediate, advanced steps. If you are brand new, you are going to start with level 1, so let's get going. We always want to start with good form, engage that core, make it tight, relax the shoulders, they're down and back, and soften those knees. Start with a baby bounce or a help bounce, pushing down on the mat with the full feet. Both feet push down. All right, let's go. This is a soft bounce or the help bounce. Now bring your arms out here to the side and let's just warm up. Circle forward and backwards. And bring them down. Now we want to do a left and a right heel. Lift the heel. We're getting the lymphatic system moving, getting those toxins out, any bacteria, disease. Been sitting around for a while, you need to get up and move on the rebounder. Now push those heels. Now bring your arms like this, push side to side, and then bring them up. Ready? Up. Left and right with the heel lifts. Back to a soft bounce. Help bounce. Pushing through the heels. Push through the heels. Soft. Just a warm up. All right, now step touch. We're not jumping. Level 1, there's no jumping. These are grounded moves. Swing your arms if you want. We have some fun music by Roa. So I'm not lifting off the mat, I'm just pushing down on the mat. Now I'm going to go to a march. Remember to engage the core. Always think about that. Pull the belly button up and in. Now use your arms. And march. This is level 1, and heels to the front. If you want to do a bicep curl, if you're ready, you could always add 1-pound weights. You can do to the front or you can do to the corners. You can do bow and arrow arms as you do corner heels. So, like I said, if you are brand new, you're going to start with those exercises, those few steps. And that's it. And you're going to repeat that 3 times. All right, let's go to level 2. You're going to do the heels again, but this time I'm going to do a little bounce, like this. Bounce, heel, bounce, heel. And then continue with level 2. And I'm going to add a little bounce to it. If you have a stability bar or a handlebar, you need extra support, be sure to use it. You just don't want to lean on it because you do want to get better in the balancing. All right, good. Now we are going to go to a pushback. Looks like this. Push, push, bounce, push. And you're squeezing the glute. Push back. And you can push forward with your arms. How you doing? Good. Now we're going to go to scissors. You can do doubles. Or you can do single, single, double. Single, single, double. That gets your brain thinking. Now singles. Pushing down on the mat. We're not jumping high on this. Nope, even though I have tall ceilings and I could jump high, we're not. Rebounding is pushing down. Good. Now out and in. Get the feet first. Oh, don't lose your balance, Cheryl. And out and in. It's a little hot in this room today. I may need to take a break and get some water. Feels like a sauna in here. That's your half jack or out and in. And then you can always go back and repeat. You can do the heels, repeat the heels. Bounce and heel. And a push back. Push. Push and squeeze. If you need to go back to level 1 and just push without bouncing, that's fine. All right. If you want to do the scissors in level 1, but not bounce, you're going to push down and then switch. Push down, like that, and switch, push down. If you want to do out and in without bouncing, you just do out and in. So, different types of variation. Now we're going to kick it up a notch to level 3. Level 3 or advanced. Ready? This is going to be a heel toe. Heel toe. Isolating the leg you're standing on. Soften the knee. Other leg. You notice I have shoes on today, right? Yep, my feet are a little sore. Did a lot of walking yesterday. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, double front, double back. Swing your arms if you want. Pick it up. Back and forth. That's more, like I said, this is level 3, more advanced. Now let's go to a twist. Push down, keep it low. Really works the legs. Whew, I feel it. Let's finish with a drop, knee, drop, knee, drop, bounce, knee. Or just knee, go back to level 1. This is level 1. Level 2, drop, knee. Kick it up. You ready? Only if you want to. High knees. All right, shake side to side. There's so many fun steps. All right, let's take it off for now and bring it down. Don't forget to stretch. Stay hydrated. Whew. And yeah, the next song is called Breathe. Yeah, don't forget to breathe. Some deep breaths, blow it out. Oh, thank you so much for joining. Now, comment below if there's something particular you want to learn, or if you need some extra help. I do free 30-minute Zoom classes. I'll see you next time. Bye.